Hello friends, I am Sujata from Prakasham district, working as Functional English and Life Skills Trainer under APSSTC Naipunya Vikasam project. Do you remember the general question asked by your friends or teachers? That is, what do you want to become? Or what is your goal? And you say, I want to become a teacher, or my goal is to become a teacher. Friends, goal is which you visualize in your mind for the future from childhood and try to do hard work to reach it and to make it real. What is goal? A goal is a desired result that a person plans and commits to achieve. It is simply a target which an individual intends to reach. A goal gives you an identity, independent life, good fame. Not only that, it helps you to determine what you want in life. It allows to take a more active role to build your own future. It also gives a positive experience of achievement and personal satisfaction when you mold your future. For example, for 4-day trip, we plan few days ahead to reach the destination, right? To settle in life, how much planning do we need? Just imagine. To reach a goal, first you have to set a goal. Today's topic is setting goals. In this session, I am going to explore how to set goals. Setting goals. It doesn't matter where you are coming from. All that matters is where you are going. The process of setting goals gives you a purpose and direction in life by allowing you to choose where you want to go in life. Goal setting is a powerful technique that provides a direction for your efforts, that focuses your attention, promotes persistence, and creates your confidence. Setting a goal involves the development of an action plan designed to motivate and guide a person towards a goal. Friends, from childhood onwards, we have goals. But teenage is particularly opportune time to start building your goal setting. It is one of the skills which helps us to mold our future into one that we desire. In general, there are different categories of goals like career, social, physical, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual. Let me explain in detail. Career. Finding purpose and satisfaction in one's work. Social. Creating positive relationships with others. Physical. Proper eating habits, exercise, and medical health. Intellectual. Expanding one's knowledge, skills, and creativity. Emotional. Being able to understand and cope with one's feelings. Spiritual. Growth of one's sense of meaning in life. They also help to create a wellness of your life or lifestyle. The only thing is, you have to be clear which type of goal do you want to set and which is apt for you. While setting goals, you should not be forced by your parents. For example, you are interested in engineer, but your parents' wish is to make you a doctor. You will be confused what to do. And of course, you reluctantly agree with your parents. Let me give one more example. Sometimes your brother or friend or a relative may be an IAS officer. By observing them, you also want to be an IAS officer. But if you are not capable for that, you have to face many problems. What I want to tell you is, it's not a right way to choose your goal by getting force or others' impact or anything else. Set your goal according to your interest, or according to your mindset and capability. This is the brief information about setting goals. Do you get clarity? Yes. Then, shall we do a small exercise? Once close your eyes and visualize your goal. Friends, do you know one thing? Whatever you think to become in future, that only you visualize always. What did you get in your visual? Is it a doctor? If yes, it means your goal is to become a doctor. For that, you have to complete MBBS, then you will become a doctor. Like this, if your visual is a teacher, you have to complete TTC or B.Ed and you will become a teacher. If your visual is a lawyer, you have to complete LLB and you will become a lawyer. If your visual is an engineer, you have to complete B.Tech, then you will become an engineer. Friends, remember one thing. Goal is not only for you to settle in life. It's an opportunity to serve the country without selfishness. Let's see how to set a goal. While setting goal, it should be specific. That means what exactly do you want to accomplish? It should be measurable. That means how will you know when you meet your goal? It should be attainable. Is it possible to meet this goal with effort by your timeline? It should be realistic. Is this goal worth working hard to accomplish? It should be timely. What is the deadline you set to meet your goal? These are the main tools which help to set a goal. I would like to carry on the topic with a small conversation held between two friends, Sonu and Varshini, who were studying 12th standard. Their discussion was about their goals. Sonu said, "My goal is to get 10 grade points in 12th. Varshini said, "My goal is to become an IAS officer." Two goals are different with each other. Getting 10 grade points is short-term goal. To become an IAS officer is long-term goal. Let us learn in detail. There are two types of goals, short-term goal and long-term goal. Short-term goals are ones that you will achieve in the near future. For example, getting 10 grade points in 12th standard to qualify in TET. Short-term goals creates a roadmap giving you the way. They are small. Accomplishments you set for yourself with deadlines that are 1 year or less. Short-term goals adds your personal values, priorities and overall purpose in life. To create short-term goal, decide your categories such as health, career, travel, financial that encompass each area in your life you wish to work on. These categories will make it much easier to organize your thoughts and ideas later on. Long-term goals. Long-term goals are ones that you will achieve over a longer period of time. For example, to become a scientist, to become a CM, to buy a new car, to settle in life. Everyone has a plan for their life. We all imagine what our future will look like, what we'll be doing, how we'll be living. When you are setting long-term goals for your life and career, it's important to be as specific as possible. Get into detail about what you want and think about it. So, without long-term goals, we are just wandering aimlessly through life. If you want to achieve long-term goals, you have to succeed short-term goals. Friends, Life is not a bed of roses. In the path of goal settings, some obstacles occur. Let's see what are they. Fear. Fear of failure is the number one reason most people will never become as successful as they could be. Immovable situations. While setting goals, sometimes immovable situations make you to quit or to stop setting goals. Like that, economical background, lack of guidance, disagreements, parents' unwillingness, pessimism, or some other obstacles may occur in the path of goal settings. Your goal may always remain the same, but you have to change your map to reach your goal. If you are really passionate to achieve your goal, don't stop or don't despair. Just change your approach and reach your goal. The only thing you have to do is never give up and never quit. Face the problem. Come up against obstacles and barriers to your goals. A life without goal is like a body without soul. Living life without a goal is like sailing the sea without a compass. A goal without a plan is just a wish. So, my dear friends, make a plan for what you want in life. Go after it with all of your heart. Work hard, do your best, and never give up. I wish you all the best to reach your goal and to have a brightful future. Thank you so much.